Hello and welcome to Global Piscine. This year we are pleased to present a new concept created for pool professionals. It features portholes and transparent aquatic walls, designed and manufactured as ready-to-install KITS accessories. These products are suitable for pools with reinforced membrane linings. Our UBBLO and Fronto kits consist of a PMMA wall and a frame system that can be assembled directly onto the masonry. The reinforced membrane is then clamped between the waterproofing flanges. PMMA is an innovative material known for its high mechanical strength and complete transparency. Our kits are available in various formats and can be installed individually or combined to create multiple transparent zones within the same pool. UBBLO and Fronto are economical products that are easy to install and come complete with installation instructions, as well as a range of accessories and consumables. Visit Kôbo Architectural at Stand 5D74 to discover our UBBLO and Fronto kits. Our entire team is at your disposal and wishes you a fantastic show.